Welcome to Max Marvel Story Corner, where Max learns how to deal with stress, help keep the earth clean, eat healthy, and stay active.
Hi everyone, it's Max Marvel. Today, I'm going to be playing a school soccer game with my friends Doogie and Barry. I can't wait! It's Doogie's turn to bring the soccer ball. But when he comes over, there's no ball in sight. Hey Doogie, I say. Did you remember to bring the soccer ball? Doogie says. I'm really sorry. I forgot. I wonder what we should do. Then I thought of something. What if we made our own soccer ball? Our own soccer ball? Barry asks. But we don't have anything to make it with. Suddenly, I look over at the ground and spot some sticks. I have an idea. What if we make our own soccer ball from twigs? Everyone begins working together, and before long, we've made a ball to play with. Now, we can enjoy soccer together, even if we don't have a soccer ball.
This story is called Max Marvel's Quest for the Magical Key. Max has a hard time finding the magical key to the treasure chest, but learns to never give up.
Hi everyone, it's Max Marvel. Today, my friend Timmy and I are on an adventure to look for sacred lost treasure. We went through challenge after challenge, and finally, we found the treasure chest marked X on our map. But we don't have the key to open it. The treasure chest says, anyone who dares to reach the magic within, find the key in the long shadows. Don't let hidden gems lead you astray. Long shadows? Hidden gems? I don't see any. What hidden gems? I found a gem! I found a gem! Look, Max! Timmy shouts. Ugh, we're getting distracted like the treasure chest said. We can't get distracted by gems, remember? We must be going the wrong way. Timmy and I look and look and look. We're getting nowhere. I gotta think of a plan. Timmy, you look in the small spots in bushes, flowers, and on the ground. I'll look for the key in trees. Let's divide the work. Good plan, right? Well, not exactly working though. Eventually, the sun starts setting and Timmy begins to feel discouraged. Max, I don't know if I can do this. We'll never find the key. Why can't we just pick up some hidden gems and call it a day? I'm not giving up! We can't give up now, Timmy. We're almost there. The treasure chest said we shouldn't be led astray by hidden gems. Come on, we can do better! The last glimmer of sunshine peers through the trees. Wait a second. Something catches my eyes. Hey, what's that? It's the glittering gold key. We found it! Long shadows only appear at sunset. Timmy and I start running to the chest, and sure enough, magic, potions, and more gems than you can ever imagine. Timmy and I are so proud we didn't give up, and we didn't let ourselves get distracted by hidden gems along the way. I gotta say, it was hard, but the reward for focusing and not giving up is magic.
This story is called Max Marvel's Guide to Being Honest. Max accidentally drinks a magical potion, and the only way to get back to his normal size is by being honest.
Hi everyone, it's Max Marvel and my buddy Barry. Today, Barry and I are playing hide and seek when I spot something strange on the ground. I find a sparkly yellow potion. I wonder what it'll do, I ask my friend Barry. Don't drink it, Barry says. You don't know what it could do to you. But I just can't resist it. I drink it anyways. As I look down, the ground starts to look further and further away. That's when I realize I've grown super tall. Oh no, Mom's gonna be so angry. I decide to go to sleep, hoping it'll be gone the next day. But as soon as I wake up and look in the mirror, I've grown even taller. I try to put on sweatpants to hide it, but it's too noticeable now. Mom is gonna notice for sure. I have to tell Mom. Even though it's scary and I shouldn't have drank the potion, maybe she can help me. Mom always knows best. Barry gave me a big hug. You got this! I walk over to Mom and explain the situation. I'm really sorry, Mom. I shouldn't have ever drunk it. I won't do it again. It's okay, says Mom. But remember, we're all responsible for our actions. I want you to be accountable for your actions and come to me if you need anything, okay? Mommy will find a way to fix this. Mom finds a special magic potion recipe, and soon enough, I get back to my normal size. Because I admitted my mistake, I was able to be saved. I'm so glad I was honest.
This story is called Max Marvel and First Aid for Kids. Max remembers the 3 C's and helps his friend feel better after they get hurt.
Max, Marvel, and Rainbow are so excited to go hiking today. They heard about an amazing clearing in the forest where magical flowers grow. After a few hours of trekking, Rainbow and Max decide to run the last mile. Uh-oh! Rainbow trips over a small rock. It looks like she's hurt. Max runs to Rainbow. Rainbow looks scared. Max, this really hurts. What do I do? Max thinks for a while, then remembers something he learned in first aid class. Rainbow, I know what to do. If we remember the 3 C's, you'll be alright. What are the 3 C's? Rainbow asks. The first C is for calm. Calm down and take a deep breath. Rainbow takes 3 deep breaths and quickly stops panicking. Awesome job, Rainbow! Next, Max reaches for his backpack. The second C is for clean. Clean the scrape with water and some soap. Ouch, Rainbow says. That stings! I know it hurts right now, Max says, but if we don't treat it, it may get infected and become more uncomfortable. The final C is for cover, Max says. Cover the scrape with a band-aid. Max helps Rainbow up, but her leg still hurts. Let's take it easy and head home for the day, Max says. But what about the magic flowers? Rainbow says. It's okay. It's more important that you rest your injured legs. We can always come back. Once Rainbow got home, she remembers to think about the 3 C's. Be calm, clean the scrape, and cover it with a band-aid. What a fun and easy way to remember what to do next time anyone needs help with a small injury.
Remember, calm yourself down, clean your wound, and cover it to stay in tip-top shape even when accidents happen. This story is called Max Marvel's Guide to Managing Stress. Max learns how to deal with stress and anxiety before his big performance.
Hi everyone, Max Marvel here. Today, I'm so tired and stressed. I have so many things to do, like homework and a brand new science project. On top of that, I'm also participating in the talent show with Sunglo and my other friends. I know I can't do everything, but I don't want to let anyone down. As I walk into the classroom, Sunglo notices that I'm not my usual self. Max, what's wrong? She asks. I'm so stressed with everything, I say, and I really don't want to let you down, Sunglo. I'll do the best I can for the talent show. Take in a deep breath, she says. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Sunglo says, you look so tired. I give Sunglo a hug and start to feel a little better. Sunglo can see how bad I'm feeling and says, you know, you don't have to participate in the talent show. I see how bad you're feeling and you need to take a rest. Supporting in the audience is okay. I thank my friend and decide the best thing to do is to write out my schedule. I let out a big sigh of relief. Now I can safely manage my homework and science project. I decide to go support Sunglo and my friends and cheer loudly in the crowd. Go Sunglo! I feel so much better and I'm so glad I took some time to rest. I realize sometimes you have to say no. We can't do everything.
This story is called Max Marvel's Beach Cleanup Adventure. Max sees a lot of trash on the beach and goes out of his way to pick it up.
Hey, it's Max and my buddy Sunglo. Let's go to the beach to have some fun. Here we are. Wait a second. What's all this? It seems like there's trash everywhere. It belongs in the trash can. How are we supposed to play in the sand like this? Sunglo asks, disappointed. Help! Someone's asking for help. Did you hear that? It seems like it's close by. The sound's coming from Barry. He has candy wrapper stuck on both his paws, but luckily we're able to get it off. Thank God you guys found me. Barry says. I never want to come to this beach again. That must have been so scary, but we shouldn't let the litter beat us. We can clean up this beach together so no one else gets hurt. Everyone deserves to enjoy the beach together. What do you say? Let's do this, Sunglow exclaimed. Now you can come to the beach too. See you next time. Remember, if you see trash on the beach, you can pick it up. That way, everyone, including you, stays happy and clean. Let's do this.
This story is called Max Marvel, the Animal Superhero. Max sees an animal trapped on the beach and finds a way to help it.
Hey, it's Max and my buddy Sunglow. We hope you're ready for an exciting adventure. We're visiting the beach to learn about sea turtles. Here we are. Where are the sea turtles? The beach used to have lots of marine life, but today I don't see anything. Even the seagulls are gone. Max, look! Sunglow points at the ground. Everywhere you look, there's so much plastic. When humans leave behind their trash, animals don't feel welcome. They could get stuck or accidentally eat small bits of plastic, which could seriously hurt them. Max, I found a turtle. Come look, Sunglow says. It's stuck in a net and can't move. Working together, Sunglow and I were able to free the turtle from the net. But if we hadn't helped out, that turtle could have had problems getting back in the water later. It cannot survive outside the water for too long, so being stuck is very dangerous. That green animal is so cool, Sunglow shouts. Are there more sea creatures like that? Why did it try to get onto the beach in the first place? Sunglow really got me thinking. The next day, we asked our teacher and did some digging around the library. Turns out, turtles normally live in the oceans, but come on land to lay their eggs. With too much trash around, turtles can't make a safe nest for their eggs.
Whoa!
There are many more animals out there who need to be saved. Get informed, stay curious, and ask for help if you are worried about any animal that's hurt. Wildlife needs our help. That's all for today. Max Marvel, out.